There's only one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this 2023 Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat Widebody Jailbreak in pitch black. With illuminated air catcher headlamps, wide-body competition suspension, 20-inch Devil's Rim granite wheels, BREMBO 6-piston front brakes, satin black rear spoiler, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted paddle shifters, only 1,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, Dodge SRT performance pages, remote start system, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, last call under hood plaque, 6.2-liter supercharged V8 HEMI engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 300808.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.